Let's quickly start. The chessboard is made up of 64 squares in a pattern of 8 cross 8. There are 32 light colors and 32 are in dark colors, which totals up to 64. Now let's talk about the lines. The vertical column are called files. The horizontal rows are called ranks. So row means ranks. And the lines that run diagonally, cutting across the board, are called diagonal. So these are your files, these are your ranks, and these are your diagonals. Super easy, right? Setting up the board correctly. When you set up a chessboard, you always want a light square in the lower right hand corner. Always remember light color on right hand side. Never forget it, it's very important. Setting up the chess pieces. This is the king, this is the queen, the rook, the bishop, the knight, and the pawn. King, queen, the rook, the bishop, the knight, and the pawn. Let's set up the pieces in its right position. At the four corners stand the rooks, looking like castle towers. Next to each rook, standing beside, are the knights. It looks like horses. Next to the knights stands the bishop, the trusted advisors to the king and the queen. In the center, we place the king and the queen. Important rule: the white queen always starts on the light color square and the black queen always starts on the dark square. So how to remember? You can see the queen always matches the square color. White queen on white square and the dark queen on the dark square. So queen on same color is the easy way to remember, and king stands on the opposite color. Finally, in front of all the major pieces stands the pawns, the foot soldiers of the army. And don't forget, white always moves first, which means each player moves one piece per turn. So first white and then black and again white, and so on. We will dive even deeper into the amazing world of chess in the next lesson. And until then, keep playing, keep learning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.